Understanding SaaS terms and conditions. Multi-tenant. SaaS is typically multi-tenant, meaning that a single instance of the software and support infrastructure serves multiple customers. As a result, customization of the infrastructure, security, software, and supply chain for individual customers is not feasible. SaaS vendors cannot allow a single customer to disrupt the company's operations, and therefore, changes requiring the customer's consent are not practical. Deliverable and acceptance concepts that apply to professional services or on-premise software are not applicable to SaaS, but a trial period can be negotiated. Physical infra. In SaaS, no employees are dedicated solely to one customer's account or work from their offices. Therefore, professional service terms such as co-employment concerns, special protocols for employee assignments, and in-office physical requirements are not relevant to SaaS engagements. Physical audit. Most SaaS platforms are hosted by third-party cloud service providers, CSPs, such as AWS, GCP, or Azure, providing high availability and enterprise-grade services to customers. CSPs do not allow customers or end customers to perform annual physical audits of their hosting locations. Change management. SaaS is web-based, and the software is not stored on the customer's servers. The software is in a state of permanent improvement, and traditional software license terms such as escrow and license rights are not applicable. Access rights should replace these traditional terms. SaaS product changes are more fluid, and traditional software license terms on versioning, upgrades, updates, and maintenance do not apply. Therefore, these terms need to be updated to reflect the vendor's control over the timing and content of product changes. Delivery model. SaaS is a subscription-based service, where users pay for access to the software over a period of time, usually monthly or annually. Traditional software development usually involves a one-time purchase of a software license, which grants the user permanent ownership of the software. Infrastructure. SaaS software is hosted on the cloud, which means that users do not need to invest in their own IT infrastructure to run the software. Traditional software, on the other hand, is installed on the user's own servers, which requires them to maintain their own IT infrastructure. Upgrades and maintenance. SaaS vendors are responsible for maintaining and upgrading the software, which means that users always have access to the latest version of the software without needing to perform manual upgrades. With traditional software, users need to manually install upgrades and updates themselves. Pricing. SaaS software is typically priced on a per-user or per-month basis, which makes it easier for users to budget for the software. Traditional software pricing can be more complex, with different pricing tiers based on the features included in the software. Overall, SaaS offers users more flexibility, scalability, and affordability than traditional software development. It may not be suitable for all use cases, particularly those that require extensive customization or offline access to the software.